Buildings already account for 40% of the world's energy consumption, and it's going to be a challenge to meet increasing demands. Consumers want more comfort in their homes, and a growing middle class is expected to more than triple the cooling demand by 2050. Right now, the projection is that we will pass the crucial 2-degree temperature increase that the world's leaders have set as a limit, and this by a significant margin. Things need to change immediately if we want to meet today's demands and make sure we are prepared for tomorrow's challenges.
"75% of the European heating is based on fossil fuels. It's key to have a more holistic approach both to the energy crisis and the climate crisis. We need to go away from silo thinking in our heating system. That's why we need to increase the level of district heating in Europe to at least half of the heat demand by 2050. In doing so, we will also have a lower heat demand. The lower heat demand goes hand in hand with the expansion of district heating. If we expand district heating, we are able to use low temperature heat sources. Now, what are those heat sources? Industrial waste heat. It's waste heat, low temperature from food retail. It could be from data centers. All in all, these are sources we cannot harvest if we do not have the possibility to use it through the district heating grids.
So today, district heating grid is typically with one central production plant that is distributing to an entire city. And in this city, there will be different zones receiving this high temperature. So that could be industrial zones, it could be commercial zones, and it could be domestic zones. But these has different temperature and pressure demands. So if we, instead of just having a central supply, we can decentralize this more and adjust temperatures and pressures according to demand, then we will have a much more efficient system. And at the same time, when lowering these temperatures, you can integrate renewable energy sources, that is what we call low-grade energy, and the same with surplus energy from industrial processes and buildings. In Denmark, as an example, there's enough surplus heat from wastewater to cover more than 20% of the national district heating need. In Europe, heat savings can cost-effectively reduce the total heat demand by approximately 40%.
One of our key solutions is Grundfos iGRID. It's based on the concept of intelligent low-temperature zones and real-time data. By using decentralized and distributing mixing loops, also called iGRID temperature zones, you can ensure that the temperature is reduced to the lowest possible level in the zone, and the pressure is only added when needed. In many cases, it's possible to reduce the heat loss by up to 30%. The lower supply temperature ensures that you can utilize a much more low-grade renewable energy source that needs a temperature boost with a heat pump. The iGRID solution enables real-time monitoring and data on critical points in the grid and offers streamlined connectivity. All of this makes Grundfos iGRID a game-changing solution for district heating utilities.
Our journey has taken us from the first generation oil-fired district heating and cooling systems to some of today's sustainable and intelligent systems. So these requirements are always changing, and it started with reliability, over pump efficiency, system efficiency, and now how can we help our customers integrate renewable energy sources into their systems. And we strongly believe that intelligent district heating and cooling is the answer for today and for tomorrow. It's energy efficient, it's sustainable, it's cost effective, and it can be implemented at large scale right now all around the world. So let's energize tomorrow.